Hello everyone, Namaste, it's Nandini. Welcome back again in this new video. This video is the monthly setup of January. I recently started journaling and I'm a beginner like you. So, what's late? Take your stationery, pencils, books, and plan out with me. If not, grab a tea and just join me in this video. This is my very first month of bullet journaling. So, let's start. First, this page, it is a cover page of January month. I gave it a Pongal theme. I drawn kites for this setup. I love watching kites flying in the sky. So I just made this January alphabets flying in the sky. By the starting of January itself, kids fly kites. So this got me in my mind that I have to do this theme for January. I fill kites with the color pencils this time. I thought it will be easy and fine looking to fill it with the colored pencils instead of sketches or watercolors. Actually, I'm feeling nostalgic right now. Like, I feel like I'm doing school project. We used to do so many projects in school like this. My projects used to be somewhat creative, but there are many of my friends creative than me and do far better than me. Cool. Let's see here. It's really fun doing this. Hey guys, you can also see a mini kites I made, origami kites with the color paper, a blue, red and light blue. They are so cute. It just complements with my theme, so I made it. This bullet journal, it is a productivity tool. It's a place where we can put everything from calendar entries, tasks and goals and track your mood, health, habits and everything which you want to track and never leave anything behind. So tools you need basically are dotted journal. It may be of various sizes B6, A5. That's your wish. And I use some sketch pens here and also color pencils this time. And lot of you wonder where I purchased that bullet journal. So it's from Amazon. And in case you're also wondering about my brand of this bullet journal, so it is the Factor Notes. It is the nice brand. Actually, this is my second book, so the dot grids and the paper are perfect for my bullet journaling. This page I set up habit tracker. I just hang letters onto a black liner and that it may look like mini kites, and the lines I'm drawing are these January calendar boxes. I fill these boxes if I complete my task every day. Drawing lines, this is a bit boring. I mostly mess up while drawing lines. I included only 8 tasks here. There are wake early, meditation, reading books, exercises, YouTube, watching, sleeping, and self care. These are my daily habits or routines which I want to track particularly. So, I may fill all the boxes while the month ending, but meditation is the only process which I'm lazy at. So, this year, my resolution, it is one of my resolution to meditate and to not miss out a day without meditation. So let's see what will happen. Around this calendar layouts, I drawn kites and also colored it with color pencils. I just highlighted the background of the habits with this brush pen, and then I filled this habits with the black fine liner. So this is it. And next page, it is the mood tracker. And guys, if you're just beginner like me, no need to worry. I suggest you to watch Amanda Ashley's channel and the Ryder Carroll channel. My inspiration is Amanda Ashley, and there are many YouTubers like Plant Based Ride, Seed Successful You. They are the most popular YouTubers, and I take inspiration from these people and also some pics art ideas. So you can follow them if you are not satisfied with me. However, at the last, the main goal is to be productive and staying organized. So for my mood tracker, I plan kites again. I drawn 31 kites. First, I traced it with pencil because I want to make sure that all the 31 kites have enough space in my page. I just drawn a 5 different kites designs, and at the bottom of the kite I am writing dates of this month, which you'll see shortly. This seems a little bit difficult task. Actually, it is a very difficult, but I must say that I'm gonna love this every day while filling this spread. And I must also say it will be very colorful at the end of the month. So there are 4 moods which are happy, sad, angry, and normal. I wanna track this. I just fill it with different colors every day based on my mood. Drawing these kites took me a long time. It took half an hour. See, I just trimmed it a lot because it's gonna end with a long video at last. So I just cut it a lot. And it's a lot fun too drawing these kites. So next page I decided to do daily task layout. This is my daily task layout. I written calendar and also drawn some kites and a little quote here. Today is a fresh start. So for the days of the week, I choose 2 colors, that's orange and violet. I wrote it alternatively and I wrote it in the boxes. This page is really so simple and beautiful. As there are 31 days in this month, I written 31 days in a box, and here in this page I split out the page into 2 and into the 3 rows, and on the other side I cut 2 papers into the wavy shape, like I made wavy dots. I just wanna keep it different because I should not get boring while writing the daily task. So the next page I included the memories of the month, I mean highlights of the month. I just want to remember the memories, and I just want to be grateful when I read it, because at last the little things make a big memories to remember. So I want to include this layout here. There are many layouts, but I only choose 3 to 4 layouts because I want to keep it simple and productive. There are many layouts, maybe I include them in the future, but I think they are not necessary now. In this next page I included quotes. This is my favorite one. Like, quotes end up boosting me while reading it. When I open the book, when I saw it, like, it ended up boosting me. So here my quote is: trust in the absolute magic of new beginnings. Next, I'm just showing a flip back through the pages what we made today. I hope you found this video useful and picked up some tips along the way. Here's wishing you all the joy of the season. a happy new year, and I'll be back again with the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.